Want to create stunning cinematic photo animations like these without using After Effects or any complicated software? In this tutorial, I'll show you a simple Canva workflow that transforms ordinary photos into eye-catching motion scenes. Let's get started. All right, first, click on the plus icon and create a new design. You can choose any size you want. I'll select Custom Size and enter 1080 by 1080. Then click Create New Design. Now, we need to install an app that creates the motion effect. Go to Apps, search for Depth Loop. This is the app. Click on it to install. Once it's installed, you'll see this interface. The first step is to upload your images. Click Choose Files and upload the photos you want to animate. So I've uploaded some images. You can see a live preview at the top. Now, scroll down. Here you'll find lots of different motion styles. Click See All to explore the complete collection. Simply click any style to preview it. I'll choose the drop style. And here's how it looks. Feel free to experiment with the other styles until you find one you like. Right below that, you'll find the motion transition options. Select any transition that matches your animation style. Next is the duration. I'll set it to 1 second. Next, we have the frame options. Here you can add a simple border around each photo. Or choose the Polaroid style if you want a more creative look. Now choose the image ratio. Below that, you can adjust the corner radius. Increase it if you want more rounded corners. Finally, choose your background color. I'll set it to white. You can use any color that matches your design. Now, everything is ready. Click Add to Design. Within a few seconds, the app will generate your animated photo motion. Now resize it to fill the entire canvas. Click Preview, and here's our final cinematic animation. And that's how you can create amazing motion effects inside Canva in just a few clicks. One quick thing before you go. This app gives you a limited number of free credits to create animations, so make sure to use them wisely. Test different motion styles with a few images first, then generate your final version once you're happy with the settings. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more Canva tips, creative effects, and AI design tutorials every week. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.